turned on. It's already rolling. You just got to point it in my direction.
Okay.
And we'll see what happens. That's really close.
Yeah.
I have to go back there again. I think. Well, maybe 3 or something. See that front tire?
I didn't.
Yeah, the front tire kept coming off the ground and
Did it?
started to kick me sideways. Let me drop it to a lower gear. I might be able to make it. That's 3, so I'm going to put it all the way down in like 1. Trying not to use the throttle, I'm just trying to do pedal.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did see it come up.
Not real. Not strong enough to do it, really.
No.
Let's try it. With throttle.
Yeah, I don't think it'd do it.
I mean, you gotta put a lot into it.
Yeah.
And with the throttle, it helps, but let me get a running start.
Just watch it, because the front wheel was coming up.
Yeah, I know. All right.
You did it.
Gotta get a running start.
Wore you out.
All right. You want to try it with a running start?
I'll try it. I'll put the seat up.
Move it.
It's still running. So.
Yeah, that's fine.
Heck yeah, why not? What do you got it in, 3?
Yeah. Just be careful.
You pedal too?
Yeah, you have to pedal. You have to pedal and you have to throttle both. Probably, if you get after it. You did it?
Yep. I didn't feel the front wheel come up.
And you adjusted your seat just a little bit.
I moved it up front.
See, just a little bit of adjustment makes a big difference.
Yeah. Let me do it one more time.
Yeah, do it.
Go around here. Get a good run.
I also set it in front of the edge of the seat. That helped, yeah. You did it.
I leaned forward and I could actually feel the back wheel spin.
Really?
Yeah. But I didn't see the front come up.
Yeah.
Did you?
No, I didn't see it come up at all.
So, not bad.
Not bad at all. I mean,
Let me try it sitting still.
what do you mean sitting still?
Start here.
Oh, you won't get far. Probably. Careful. Oh, you're gonna do it. You did it. Oh my goodness. Is that still in 3rd gear?
Yeah, it's still in whatever you had it set at.
Hey, try it again if you're feeling up to it. Try it again, but put it in past 3.
In who?
Your pedal assist, move it to 3.
What's
No, over
that?
here. Over here. Put that in 3.
Okay. It is in 3.
Oh, that was 3?
Yeah.
Okay.
So.
All right.
It worked. It started to.
Okay.
Yeah, this was good.
This is a dream stroll, I think.
Oh yeah. Maybe I ought to get it from where you did. Get a side view. You don't have to get a run with that.
No, I was dropping the gears down to 3.
I'm playing with you. I knew you knew it.
It's just no effort hurts all. Just roll right up.
You can take a pretty good slant.
Yep.
So heavy. Make that point well. One more time.
Yep. No problem.
Just right along you this time. Little tire slippers there. Did it?
Yep. Yep.
Yeah, this is the one you use when you're after you wore yourself out on that one. You're tired. Then you switch to this one. Yeah.
I mean, you can take this thing and it'll go right now, sit still on the grass, take off.
Yeah, for sure. She's got huge power.
I mean, nothing to it.
Nothing. I know. No effort.
I mean, it's great.
Like you say, coming sideways.
Yep. It handles it just fine.
Front wheel spin a little bit from a dead stop.
Yep. But even at that, those tires, you know, for being more of like a street tire, they grip really well.
Grip great.
Yeah, this bike's it. I mean,
That's
I want to. I can get back there and I can fly up that hill. Try it.
I'll do it.
Oh, man. If you stop on that hill, you're likely to
Well, that's true with you sitting back on it. Front wheel actually was stopped. It ain't even turning. The front wheel ain't even touching the ground.
It's on the ground just about a lot.
Yeah, but it isn't turning at all.
Yeah, you can't do it.
Yeah. You got wheelie bars, of course. I'm like you. I don't know if I'd trust them.
It doesn't take
Take
much.
much to
And that soft grass.
Doesn't
doesn't
take
take
much
much
to
to
get
get
this
this
thing
thing
off
off
the ground.
the ground.
Nope. It isn't bad.
Still
Not
not bad.
bad. No, I don't think
If
it's
somebody
bad.
had a lot of hills, they'd want that one though.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
A
yeah.
lot of steep